What do you think? We're gonna drink some Chardonnay from the Santa Rita Hills, which is one of my most favorite regions for Chardonnay, and I think quite overlooked. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and this is a very special Chardonnay episode where I'm drinking a wine from the Santa Rita Hills in Santa Barbara. And this particular Chardonnay is a single vineyard bottle from Dominion Tantara, from the Zotovich Vineyard. What I find about the Chardonnays from the Santa Rita Hills is it gives you everything you love from Napa in a Chardonnay, but with a little restraint and not as much, oaky butteriness. Now, some people love that. I enjoy it every now and then in the right spot, but overall, like, my favorite Chardonnays are ones that have a touch of oak and a lot of fruit. So this guy is hopefully typical of the region. I mean, I did that, saying that without any sort of real research on it. Got this through Last Bottle Wine Sale. Very excited to try it. It could work as a Thanksgiving wine, even though I opened it and I don't have another bottle. Yeah, so these wines are very effortless. When you smell it, you just want to keep smelling these wines. There's a candied note to this nose, like almost, I'm gonna go with some pineapple, but like a sugared pineapple, or maybe one of those dried pineapples. I'm getting that circus peanut type of banana note. You know what I'm talking about. I get it a lot in Chardonnay, which is interesting. There's going to be a little minerality on this wine, and I'm also getting some apple notes. So there's a lot of different fruits going on in here. And that's what these wines bring to the table that's so much different than what you get from Napa. And just an FYI, this is a single vineyard wine, and it's 100% Clone 76 from Block 4. The other thing that's cool about this is only 1,200 bottles produced. So 2015 Zotovich. Let's give it a try. I'm not going to spit that out. I'm getting some nuttiness, some toffee. This wine is almost creamy on the palate, but it's not an oaky butteriness that you're used to out of Napa. It's more nutty and butterscotchy. Touch of vanilla. Those apples are coming through. Those pineapples I'm getting. And a little bit of that nutmeg note just came in at the end, like pew, nutmeg. So unfortunately, this wine is like really, obviously, I mean, we said 1,200 bottles produced, very limited. So you probably won't be able to find this. It's an indication of what, Last Bottle Wines does bring to the table. There's a link below in the show notes. And just, I think another reason why when you're looking for Chardonnay, you've already explored California, you've explored Napa and Sonoma. You've explored, the Northwest in the U.S. You've had enough French Chardonnays. It's still in California, Santa Rita Hills. But look for that region on the label, and I think you'll be happy, pleasantly surprised. Till next time, cheers, my friends.